In this video, we will know new in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2, the version 66. The main feature we added in this version is possibility to add debug area. You can add debug area by choosing debug library, new library in Tesla SCADA, and choosing debug area. You can set up debug area by choosing font type, font size, and debug level. And during runtime, you can see all debug information you've got from the Tesla SCADA ID. You can choose level. It's recommended to use debug. For trace, you can add filter. For example, we want to filter some value and we're adding it. Then you can, for example, we want to use memory, tag information, we add this, and you can see now the information is only about used memory. When you clear the field of debug area, you can see used memory text information. And you can delete there and this filter, and you'll get all information from the debug. It also works in runtime. For example, stop in ID and open the file in runtime. And now you can see information in the runtime. We can see we use filter here. When we remove, we've got information, all text changing, all service setup and other. For example, we want to get information for tag mi integer, add. And for example, we want to more detailed information. You can choose state, and you can see how write in the tag, read from the server, Modbus server in our case, and other information about this tag. And you can clear all tag here. After debugging process, it's recommended to remove this debug area field from your project because it takes a lot of memory. Also, in the new version, we add some script functions for getting system information about CPU load information, about usage of memory, and some other memory information. For example, in our case, you can see the use of CPU process, how percent of process information is used. Also, total memory of the device, in our case, it's voicing 8 GB. Free memory, GRAM total, it's used by information by Java applications. This information received for these Java applications. Maximum memory can be used, and it's free memory now, and used memory. Heap release for these applications, and non-heap volume release for this application. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or now phone.